Well, good afternoon and welcome to another video on Mod Mustang. So here's another update. So I got the car lifted, tires are off, the front obviously, front bumper's off. I didn't take the hood off yet. We're going to get the fenders off, take a look at the underneath, see if there's any other damage that might have to be fixed. So let's take this fender off real quick and then we will see what is underneath, and then we will go from there. All right, the fender's off. There it is. There's the fender. So with the fender off, obviously there's no damage or anything that I saw because of being the front fender was scraped up a little bit. Right here on the front passenger side in the front, that's where that was smucked up a little bit. Looks like there's just a little bent metal here. I can bend that out. I'll touch it up with some primer for longer term use, obviously, so it won't rust in the near future. It looks like he's got aftermarket bulbs. No big deal. I'm gonna order new headlights for it anyways. Other than that, obviously, pretty clean inside. Not too bad. I mean, like I say, 2011 Mustang. Aftermarket shocks. So here's another view of the front with the bumper off. Obviously, the grill and bumper is all one piece. On the side markers, I've got aftermarket side markers. So check that video out if you want. Should be either posted soon or it's coming soon. These are the 4-inch lights that it came with. Probably not going to order new ones. Bulbs and everything look good, but bracket was broke, so going to order a new one of those. Other one looks good. All right, we're all done with day one tear down. Got the passenger side fender off, tires are off, front bumper is off. Dirty. Still got to do the underskirt right here. A couple things were still broke from the previous owner. No big deal. Headlights are still in. We're going to replace those anyways. This fender is still on, but that bad boy is going to come off tomorrow. Haven't ordered the new fenders yet, or the side skirts, or the hood, or anything else yet, but got to tear it apart, clean it right before everything comes in. We will catch you guys tomorrow or on the next video. Take care.